Hello, it's Monika today, and I've got a block of video. To take part in the giveaway, you have to watch all the videos taking part, like them, comment and subscribe to each of the channels, and the links are in the description down below, and the deadline is the 28th of February. For today's project, we're going to use Valentine's papers, designed by Marta, and the link is also in the description. And what's really good about them, with the background papers, you've got the lighter color and darker color, and also lots of beautiful labels you can use, and also some that you can actually stamp all your sentiments. Now, to create my project, I'm going to need 12 by 12 inches card, and I decided to use very light gray. And I'm going to show you how to score it to create a picnic basket. It is super simple, and I really encourage you to try it because you will be amazed how easy it is. I'm going to score at 4 and 8 inches and then turn my card 90 degrees and do it again. 4 and 8 inches. And this way you don't really need A3 scoreboard. A4 is absolutely fine. As you can see, I've got grey card. It is light on one side and darker on the other one. So now, yes, take your score tool and start scoring at 4 inches, then 8 inches, and turn your card 90 degrees and score it again. And literally, that is the base for your project. If you want to make it even more special, I'm going to show you how to score the corners, which will be super simple, and it will be perfect for any basket projects. So yes, now we have to fold all those lines and burnish them super quick and easy. And again, I'm taking my scoreboard and I'm going to mark 4 inches. And I'm going to create a diagonal line going from corner of my square up to the corner of the card. And this way we're going to have beautiful fold, and I'm going to do it on every single corner. It is super simple, especially if you burnish all those score lines beforehand. Now, when this is ready, I'm going to score all the sides again 2 inches, and this way we can actually create mountains and valleys, and it will be so much easier to create beautiful folds in the corners of our basket. Now I'm going to do it on every single corner, and yes, we are going to use our scoreboard again and actually match those 2 inches lines with the corner here. Super quick and simple, and trust me, it is worth the effort because this way you will save some space and your box will be really beautiful. And I wonder, have you ever made a picnic basket or any other basket with your paper crafting projects? If you have, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, I wanted to tell you that Marta's design papers are also available on Buy Me a Coffee website, and the link is also in the description down below if you're interested. And the variety of the design papers is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love the color palette. It is so beautiful, all those pastel colors, and yes, it is so easy to work with them. As you can see, I folded and burnished all those sides, and we have something like this. Yes, I did cut the corners off a little bit because I wanted my box to look beautiful. Now it is time to decorate it, and I decided to use that beautiful blue and pink and these beautiful hearts with stripes. And with the blue one, I will have beautiful hearts inside, and with the red outside, and with the last one you saw me, I'm going to use it for the inside as well. Now I decided to distress all the edges of my papers, and to do it I'm using my scissors. It is super simple, and I'm going to do it with every single square. And I wanted to tell you that these squares are nearly 4 inches, so they're actually 3 and 7/8 because I want them to actually fit inside my panels. Super quick and easy. Now, to add a little bit more color, I'm going to use Distress Oxide ink, and this time I'm actually going to use Kitch Flamingo, and it actually matches the color palette on the design papers really beautifully. And I wonder, have you ever made any Valentine's gifts or boxes or even picnic baskets? If you haven't, I really encourage you to do it because it is super simple. And as I said before, in the blog hub there are quite a few ladies taking part in it, so I do encourage you to watch all the videos, subscribe to each of the channels and comment underneath, because we are going to choose a winner. Actually, it will be Marta and she will choose the winner on her channel, and the deadline is the 28th of February. Now, as you can see here, I use my pokey tool to create 2 holes, and I'm going to use a little bit of ribbon and decorate the panels in the corners. Super quick and easy, especially if you folded all those lines. Now, you can use any ribbon you want. Here I decided to use white and pink because it goes really well with the design papers. And yeah, you can make a knot, and literally that's it. And I did it 3 more times to do it on every single corner. And our box is nearly done, but we still have to decorate it. Now I'm going to add 2 outside panels, and I'm going to do it on 2 opposite sides because we have to create a handle. And as you can see, I also put the inside one with the beautiful script. I absolutely love that design paper. To create a handle, I decided to use that beautiful blue background with hearts, and I fussy cut all the hearts, put them together, and actually I put them on 300 GSM white cut strip for extra strength, and I really encourage you to do it. So before you assemble 2 panels on the sides, create a handle, stick it on, and then you can adhere the panels. And to add a little bit more color to my hearts and make sure that every single element match beautifully, I decided to use the same Kitch Flamingo. And this way everything matches beautifully and it is coordinated. And I wonder, do you do that in your card making projects or paper crafts? Please let me know. Now, when this is ready, we have to put all those panels together. As you can see, this box is really easy to do, and you can actually decide what are you going to put inside. Maybe sweets, chocolates, or maybe something else. I think even handmade flowers will work really well there. Please let me know what would you like to put in this beautiful Valentine's picnic basket. Now I created templates for flowers. One is smaller, one is bigger, and I'm going to use the leftover panels, trace them, fussy cut, and add a little bit of, yes, you guessed it, the same Distress Oxide ink, Kitch Flamingo. And this way, again, it will be super quick and easy to match all those elements together. And I'm actually going to shape all those flowers on my hand. So I actually pressed the middle on my palm and added a pearl inside for extra dimension and interest. I also fussy cut leaves. It was super quick to do it with the blue color, and as you can see, I folded it a little bit for extra dimension. And first I decided to hide that line where we put 2 hearts together. And yes, you can decorate as many panels as you want. And this project, it is super quick to make and it is really beautiful. If you have never tried making a picnic basket, I really hope you will, because this way you only use 1 12 by 12 inches card and beautiful design papers. And now I decided to use that beautiful sentiment for someone special. I fussy cut it, and again I'm using the same Distress Oxide ink for extra interest and color. And yes, I adhered on one of the panels that was a little bit empty, and our project is done. I really hope you enjoyed this video, so give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to check all the other videos taking part in the blog hub and giveaway, because you can get a set of beautiful design papers. And also there is another hub on Instagram, so you can go there as well and check all those beautiful projects. Thank you so much for watching, and here you can also check the rules again. You can pause the video if you want, and I really hope you enjoyed it and you are inspired to create something beautiful for Valentine's Day. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. See you next time!